Hi friends, my name's Tracy Bish. Welcome to my channel. This is the 12 days of Christmas and this project is day 2. Super excited that you're here and I hope that you're enjoying all of these little treats that are coming out each day. So this little bag holds a few little Kinder chocolates which are perfect for these. I will say the one that we're going to create today, I only had 2 left over from the little bag that I had. So we're only going to pop 2 in. 3 does fit in better. But, you know, you can pop in whatever you like. You can, you know, if you want to change it up as well. So we're using the Beary Christmas suite for this little gift idea. You can find that on page 22 and 23. We have the Beary Cute stamp set, that Beary Christmas 12 by 12 paper, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love this paper. It's a great standalone. You can fussy cut those little images and you don't even need a stamp set. We also have very vanilla cardstock, Night of Navy and real red ribbon. And then I've got real red ink, sorry. And then I've got a ribbon, which is the white 1/2 inch iridescent ribbon. You can find that on page 9. That's part of the Merry, Bold and Bright suite. Alright, so we're starting off with the DSP here. It measures 8.5 by 4 inches. You're going to score it on the 8.5 inch side at 3, 4, 7 and 8. You're going to turn it to the 4 inch side and score at 1 inch. That's going to be the base of our little bag there. Now don't forget there is a project sheet on this tutorial, on this day 2. So please go over and check that out. It'll have all the measurements, it'll have the supplies as well. And if you live in Australia, you can actually click straight on into my online store and purchase straight there. And you know, if you don't already have a demonstrator, I would love to help you out with any of your supplies that you may need in your craft room. I have a really great customer gift program for anyone who purchases with me in the month. Please use the Host Code. But yeah, you'll get free gifts from me each month. They change each month. So, alright, I did have to go back in and just rescore some of those lines. I didn't probably press down hard enough. So once we've burnished them, we're going to take off that little rectangle tab off the tab there on the very left hand side, and we're just going to cut up to each of those score lines up to the 1 inch mark. I'm going to add some tear and tape to this side tab, and then the 3 tabs closest to that side tab we're also going to add tear and tape to. So on the inside of that larger tab, you're going to add the tear and tape. And then for those 2 little squares, we're going to add tape on those as well, tear and tape on those. So your first 3, once you've taken that little side tab off, you're going to add tear and tape to. So just fold this over. Now you can use Seal Plus, you could use your liquid glue, whatever you would like as your adhesive. And what I've done here is I've actually popped the back side of my larger tab down first. Then we're going to adhere the 2 side tabs. And what this will do is when your bag's together, you're going to have one long piece of DSP in the base or the bottom of your bag, which is going to make it look so much better. Make sure you do it that way. And then we're going to add our last layer down, which is the front of our bag there. Alright, once we have that done, let's bring in some of these little Kinder chocolates. Like I said, I only have 2 left, and my son isn't even at home to be eating them anymore, but I've used them on a few different projects, so that's why there was very little in there. So we're going to wrap this ribbon around, and it's super... I had trouble with this. I don't know whether it's because I'm on camera or that it's super shiny and slippery ribbon, but you're just going to tie it around the bag. You don't want to be too tight because you want it to be able to come off and then, you know, be put back on. But you know, if you've got someone at home to help you just hang on to it, I highly recommend that. So with our stamp set, we're going to stamp on the very vanilla cardstock with the Night of Navy. We're going to have that polar bear down. We're also going to stamp one of those presents. We're stamping 3 presents all up, but only 1 in Night of Navy. And then with the real red ink, we're going to stamp his scarf, 2 of the presents once we've cleaned the stamp, as well as 1 beanie. And I'm going to stamp the beanie off to the side. We're going to fussy cut him and pop that down over the top of his head. I just think it sits so much better by doing it that way. You can stamp straight on top of the polar bear if you like, but I don't know, I couldn't get it to sit properly, so I wasn't really happy with it. And we're just going to quickly fussy cut these little stamped pieces. Now, what was I going to say? There is a project sheet for today's project, so please go over and download that. It'll have all the measurements, all the supplies that I've used, and there are clickable links in there to my online store. So if you are living in Australia and you would like to purchase any of the products that I've used, you certainly can there. I have a free handmade card this month as your gift, as well as a bundle tutorial, and this month's bundle tutorial has tons. There's I think it's 54 projects in the bundle, so you're going to get lots of inspiration there. Yeah, so there is 12 days in this tutorial, 12 days of Christmas. I'm looking forward to showing you some really cute little gift ideas, maybe table gifts that you could give on Christmas Day, or, you know, give to the grandkids, family, friends, you know, just those little thoughtful gifts that aren't super expensive, but they're going to know that you really appreciate them. And I'll tell you what, there's no one in this world that doesn't like a little handmade gift. So much better than, you know, going out and getting a block of chocolate or a box of chocolates. Isn't that gorgeous? So I've just used my mini glue dots to adhere all those pieces down. I'm going to pop them up with dimensionals, and once again, this project does not have any sentiments on it, but, you know, I think this would also work great as party favors for, you know, a birthday. So you just change your DSP around, change your stamp set as well. Alright everyone, if you've enjoyed today's 12 Days of Christmas Day 2, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you left me a comment, and if you haven't hit subscribe yet, please do that as well. The project sheet is available now, so go over and download that, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Alright everyone, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.